Have you ever bitten into a juicy slice of watermelon on a hot summer day and wondered about its journey to your plate? From tiny seeds to the refreshing fruit that makes backyard barbecues complete, watermelons have an amazing story to tell. Today we're taking you behind the scenes of one of summer's most beloved fruits, exploring the fascinating world of watermelon farming. From soil to supermarket to your kitchen table, we've split this watermelon journey into 4 simple parts to give you the complete farm-to-table experience. First, we'll look at some eye-opening global statistics about watermelon production that might surprise you. Then, we'll explore the incredible health benefits that make this fruit more than just a delicious treat. Third, we'll break down exactly what farmers need to grow the perfect watermelon crop. Finally, we'll follow the fascinating journey watermelons take after harvest until they reach your home. So sit back, maybe grab a slice of watermelon, and join us on this juicy adventure. Part 1. Global watermelon production. Did you know that over 100 million tons of watermelons are grown worldwide every year? That's enough to fill more than 40,000 Olympic swimming pools. China leads the way, producing an astonishing 70% of the world's watermelons. In the United States alone, farmers grow about 3.9 billion pounds of watermelon annually across 44 states, with Georgia, Florida, Texas, and California leading production. What's even more impressive is how watermelon farming has evolved. 20 years ago, an average watermelon weighed about 25 pounds, but today's varieties average 15 to 20 pounds, making them easier to transport and store in your refrigerator. And while we often think of the classic green-striped watermelon with red flesh, farmers now grow more than 1,200 varieties worldwide, including yellow, orange, and even white flesh types. From small family farms to massive commercial operations, watermelon farming supports thousands of jobs and contributes billions to the global economy. But beyond these impressive numbers, watermelons offer something much more valuable: incredible health benefits that might surprise you. Part 2. Health benefits of watermelon. Watermelon isn't just refreshing, it's a nutritional powerhouse hiding in plain sight. This summer fruit is 92% water, making it perfect for staying hydrated during hot days. But here's what might surprise you. Watermelon contains more lycopene than any other fruit or vegetable. Yes, even more than tomatoes. This powerful antioxidant gives watermelon its red color and helps protect your cells from damage. The benefits don't stop there. Just 1 cup of watermelon provides 21% of your daily vitamin C needs, plus vitamins A and B6. It's also rich in citrulline, an amino acid that may improve exercise performance and reduce muscle soreness. And with only 46 calories per cup, watermelon offers guilt-free sweetness for anyone watching their weight. Even the seeds and rind have uses. Watermelon seeds are packed with protein and healthy fats, while the rind, which most people throw away, can be pickled or stir-fried for added nutrition. With all these benefits, it's no wonder watermelon ranks as America's favorite melon, with the average American eating over 15 pounds yearly. But what does it take to grow this remarkable fruit? Let's find out. Part 3. Growing requirements for watermelon. Growing the perfect watermelon requires a special combination of conditions that farmers have mastered over generations. It all starts with the right environment. Watermelons thrive in warm weather, needing temperatures between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and at least 80 to 110 frost-free days to reach maturity. This is why they're typically planted after the last spring frost when soil temperatures reach at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Good soil is critical for success. Watermelons prefer well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Before planting, farmers enrich the soil with compost or aged manure to provide essential nutrients. Seeds are typically planted in hills about 1 inch deep, with 3 to 5 seeds per hill. Once seedlings emerge, they're thinned to the strongest 2 to 3 plants. Water management is crucial but tricky. Watermelons need consistent moisture, especially during flowering and fruit development, but too much water can dilute the sweetness. Most commercial growers use drip irrigation to deliver water directly to the roots without wetting the leaves, which helps prevent diseases. Speaking of protection, farmers must guard against common watermelon enemies: powdery mildew, anthracnose, and cucumber beetles. Many use integrated pest management techniques, combining natural predators, resistant varieties, and careful monitoring to minimize chemical use. Perhaps most fascinating is the pollination process. Watermelons have separate male and female flowers on the same plant, and bees must transfer pollen between them for fruit to develop. Many farmers bring in beehives to ensure proper pollination, with a single acre requiring about one hive. From planting to harvest takes 80 to 110 days, depending on the variety. But what happens after these perfectly grown watermelons leave the field? Let's follow their journey to your table. Part 4. Post-harvest journey. The farm-to-table journey of a watermelon is perhaps the most fascinating part of its story. Harvest day on a watermelon farm is a flurry of activity that often begins before sunrise to avoid the heat of the day. Experienced harvesters look for subtle signs of ripeness: a yellowish spot where the fruit rested on the ground, a dull rather than shiny rind, and a deep hollow sound when thumped. Did you know that watermelons don't continue ripening after being picked? This means timing is everything. Once harvested, watermelons begin their carefully managed journey to consumers. Within hours, they're washed, sorted, and graded for quality. Top-grade watermelons have uniform shape, are free from sunburn, and have no cracks or bruises. The fruits are then loaded onto refrigerated trucks kept at precisely 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, not too cold, which would cause chill injury, and not too warm, which would speed spoilage. The supply chain is a masterpiece of logistics. Large distribution centers receive truckloads of watermelons and quickly redirect them to grocery stores, farmers markets, and restaurants. The average watermelon travels about 800 miles from farm to store, and the entire journey from field to retail display typically takes just 2 to 5 days. This efficiency is critical since a properly harvested watermelon stays fresh for only about 2 to 3 weeks. At the grocery store, watermelons get special handling. They're often displayed at room temperature, as this maintains their flavor better than refrigeration. Once you bring a watermelon home, it will keep for about a week on your counter, or up to 2 weeks when refrigerated after cutting. Beyond fresh consumption, the watermelon industry has expanded into convenience products that reduce waste and extend availability. Pre-cut watermelon chunks, watermelon juice, and even watermelon jerky are now available year-round. And innovative chefs and food scientists continue to find new uses. Watermelon rind pickles, grilled watermelon steaks, and watermelon seed flour are all gaining popularity in farm-to-table restaurants, emphasizing sustainability. From tiny seed to juicy slice, the watermelon's journey is truly remarkable. We've seen how this global crop supports economies worldwide while providing incredible nutrition. We've learned what it takes to grow the perfect watermelon and followed its careful journey from field to table. Next time you enjoy this summer favorite, take a moment to appreciate the dedicated farmers, the careful handling, and the precise timing that delivered that perfect watermelon experience to you. And remember, whether you're eating it fresh, blending it into smoothies, or grilling it for a unique twist, watermelon represents one of nature's most perfect packages of refreshment and nutrition. If you enjoyed learning about watermelons, please hit that like button and subscribe for more farm-to-table stories. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite way to enjoy watermelon. Until next time, stay cool and keep enjoying the simple pleasures of seasonal eating.